Hello there, motorized bike enthusiasts. Welcome once again to another video. Um, I just came up with some crazy idea recently to do something. If you are familiar with gasoline generators, then you might know what this is. Um, Even though our kind of fuel tanks don't really need a fuel gauge, but because even some of the vintage bikes don't really have. What if you could actually add some to it? So I got this thing of AliExpress. This is the fuel gauge that is used by most of the small gasoline generators, and so I'm going to add this to my motorized bike. Uh, God willing, within this week, and then I'll update you guys on um, how it feels after I add it. You can actually check the fuel level by just opening the cap and looking inside, but that will require you to stop before you do that. So I just need something that will give me the level of the fuel even as I ride it, so I know how far I have left and how far I've gone. And so this came to mind. So let me just give you a quick tip on what I'm actually going to do. Okay, so I'm going to be creating some hole here, then this will go inside, just big enough so this can enter right here. I should have put it somewhere here, but then the arm wouldn't have full room for swinging up and down. So if I put it here, I can have some room for the arm to go up and down. And if you can see, I've bent it a little bit downwards, because if it's straight, the readings won't be very accurate. And that's the same um level indicator we have on the gasoline generator. I only pray that the new one doesn't turn this to this color along the way. So guys, this is the new project I have come up with, or I'm coming up with. So watch out for the video. After it's done, I'm going to post it, and then I'll give you my reviews on what I experienced and how it, if you want to, fine. You can just see the amount of fuel you have left by opening the cap, but this is a cool addition to your bike. You don't have to be opening the cap always, and you can tell the level of fuel even as you ride. Yeah, it's not a necessary, it's not a necessity, but it's a cool feature to add to it. So thank you so much for watching, and if you are new to the channel, please subscribe for more great content on motorized bikes. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.